So today we are going to discuss mutually exclusive events. So what are they and how we can solve the question? Let's see. So here we have the first question. A, B, C are three mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. So first of all, you should know what is mutually exclusive. So let me tell you, if there is nothing common between two sets, then they are said to be mutually exclusive. Or we can say that if the intersection between both is equals to 0, or we can say that probability of intersection of both the events is 0, then we said that mutually exclusive. If I talk about only sets, so there would be null element between both of them, or if I talk about the probability, that would be equal to 0 for mutually exclusive. And the second thing is exhaustive. So let me tell you what exhaustive means. And there is one more thing, mutually exclusive, which means A, B, C are three mutually, which means there is nothing common between any of these sets. So all are mutually exclusive, which means A intersection B, B intersection C, C intersection A, and also A intersection B intersection C. All are probability is 0, absolutely. Now, what is exhaustive? Exhaustive, which means if I take union of all the sets, then that should be equal to 1. If the union of these three is equals to 1, the probability, then these are said to be exhaustive events. So now, how can we solve this question? We have this P A union B union C. We have, let's just A union B union C is equals to 1. So what I can do, we have a formula that we can directly put this as PA plus PB plus PC. Why I have put this like? Because all the intersection part is 0. So if I apply the formula and if I put this equation in this formula, so that would be exactly equals to 0. So only these three terms are left. Now, how can we solve this type of question? So let's just suppose PC to be x. So what would happen? PA would be 6x and C is actually x. Now see, twice of PB is equals to 6x. So we can easily find the value of PB. So what it would be? It would be 3x. So I hope it's clear why I put this PC is equals to x. Now we can easily solve like 3x, 6x and x. That would be equals to 10x. So 10x is equals to 1. So x would be 1 by 10, absolutely. So do I need to find this, the value of x? No, we need to find the value of PB, and PB is equals to 3x. So we need to find 3 upon 10. The value of we need to find 3x, that would be 3 upon 10. So answer would be this. It can confuse you that it's just that we always find the value of x and we get that. So we put this. No, but the question is find probability of B, and probability of B is 3x. I hope it's clear. Let's take one more example for that. You can try by your own as well. If you didn't get it, then I'll help you out. You can pause this video, you can try by yourself, and still if you didn't get it, then you can watch this video. A, B, C are three mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Again, same. But there is only one thing that has been changed, that there is not a single equation where all three variables are correlated. PB, PA and PC. In this same, if I saw the previous one, if you saw the previous one, I can directly write this. PA plus PB plus PC is equals to 1 in this, because rest of the things are same. So that would be PA plus PB plus PC is equals to 1. Now, the most important thing in this question is which term we use to take x. So here we have PB common. Here we have PB common. So what we can do? We can put PBx because PB is coming in both the equations. So that would be easier for us. For example, you can easily find 2x by 3 is a value of probability of A, and if you want to find the probability of PC, that would be x by 2. So that would be a little bit easier for you. So PC is equals to x by 2. Through this, we have converted all the variables into the single one, 2x by 3, and that is actually x. I hope this is clear. Now what we can do, we can take the LCM 6. So that would be 4x, that would be 6x, and that would be 3x. I hope this will you easily get that. Now this is 6x plus 4x, that would be 10, and that would be 13. So that would be 13x upon 6 is equals to 1. So here we can easily find the value of x. So that would be 6 by 13. Now again we need to check. We need to find probability of A. And what is the probability of A? Probability of A is equals to 2x by 3. So 2x by 3 if I need to find, then how can we find 2 into 6 by 13? So how I can find 3 2s are 6, so that would be 4 by 13. So the answer would be 4 by 13. So through these two questions, we have understand the meaning of mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. So now I hope you can solve all the questions related to the mutually exclusive and exhaustive event.